Why does a kosher Hechsher need regular renewal? Imagine buying a fresh loaf of bread and trusting that it's kosher every time you see the symbol on the package. But have you ever wondered how that trust stays strong over time? The answer lies in a process called certification renewal. When a kosher Hechsher or certification is issued, it's not a one-and-done deal. It needs to be checked and renewed regularly. Why? Because food production isn't static. Ingredients, suppliers, equipment, and even recipes can change. These changes might affect whether the product still meets kosher standards. Certification agencies need to verify that all ingredients are still kosher and sourced from approved suppliers. Many ingredients requiring their own kosher certificates, which are usually valid for 1 year. If a supplier's certificate expires, or if they switch to a different ingredient that isn't kosher, the certification could become invalid. So, agencies must confirm that all certificates are current before renewing. Next, they inspect the production facilities and equipment. Over time, new machinery might be added, or old equipment might be cleaned or repaired. These updates could introduce non-kosher contamination if not checked properly. Regular inspections help ensure that the equipment remains clean and suitable for kosher food production. If any changes are made, the certifying rabbi or supervisor reviews them to confirm they don't compromise kosher standards. Labels and product designations also need review during renewal. The kosher symbol on packaging must accurately reflect the product's status, whether it's meat, dairy, or parva, which means neutral. If labels are changed or updated, the certifying agency checks that they still meet all kosher labeling laws. Contracts and agreements with the manufacturer are also reviewed during renewal. These documents specify what ingredients and materials can be used, who is responsible for supervision, and other important details. If there are any changes in the production process or kosher requirements, the renewal process updates these contracts accordingly. Maintaining consumer confidence is another reason for regular renewal. When a product's kosher status is verified annually, it reassures customers that the product continues to meet strict standards. This ongoing oversight helps prevent mistakes or lapses that could compromise kosher integrity. Most kosher certificates are valid for 1 year. To renew, the certifying rabbi or supervisor conducts a thorough review, inspects the facility, and verifies all documentation. They submit reports to the rabbinic authorities, who then approve or request further information. Once everything checks out, a new certificate is issued, allowing the product to carry the kosher symbol for another year. In essence, renewal isn't just about paperwork. It's a continuous process that safeguards the kosher status of a product. It ensures that all ingredients, equipment, and procedures still meet the strict standards of Jewish dietary laws. This ongoing commitment helps keep the trust of consumers who relying on the kosher symbol every day.